The team here at Women Helping Women say already this year they are on track to serve more than 10,000 victims of domestic violence. That's nearly 2,000 more than last year's record-breaking numbers. The team hopes that adding more advocates can help decrease that number.
There has been times I've responded on scene in the room and the kitchen has blood all over it.
Wayne Williams is the director of Women Helping Women's Domestic Violence Enhancement Response Team, known as DIVERT.
You just never prepare yourself for what you're walking into.
His teams work with police officers in Cincinnati, North College Hill, Mount Healthy, and Delhi.
I don't think that people realize how much domestic violence is happening.
Williams unfortunately knows all too well about violence, not just from working with survivors, but from his experiences at home growing up in South Cumminsville.
Children that are seeing the violence in their home, I wanted to make sure that I am able to make sure that they are getting the resources that they need.
His team is now looking for more advocates because the DIVERT program is expanding.
While the police focus on the abuser and collecting evidence and keeping, securing the crime scene, we focus and our advocates focus on survivors and typically the kids who are also there.
CEO Kristen Shrimplin says COVID-19 is behind an unprecedented spike in calls for help from her team.
In the month of April, we saw at least 4 domestic violence homicides within 2 weeks in our city.
She says that's because victims were locked behind closed doors with their attackers. Now DIVERT needs more advocates as it plans to expand to Green Township and Cheviot.
We're looking for committed, professional individuals who care about our community.
And that's why Williams got involved, and he hopes that will draw others.
The important thing is that when someone is telling you that they have been abused, that you listen and you help them and you try to get them resources.
Whitney Miller, WCPO 9 News.